Hi, Nancy with Sew Original, another beginner sewing video. I am patching very shredded wool shirts. I mean, not only is it torn, as you can see, it's very threadbare. So we can't just patch it because then this fabric is so compromised, it's just gonna pull off. So I'm reinforcing the back also. So many of you have probably heard of Stitch Witchery. It's basically a fusible fabric glue. A lot of people use it for hems when they're desperate and don't want to sew. Well, there's also this product called Wonder Under, and it's basically Stitch Witchery in sheets with a paper backing. So since I'm going to have to put a patch on the inside to reinforce the fabric, as well as a suede patch on the outside, I have applied Stitch Witchery, or Wonder Under, excuse me. I've pre-cut my patches. I wanted something pretty sturdy for the inside to protect. So I've cut the inside patch larger than the outside patch. So here is what I've done so far. Sleeve board helps a whole lot in this situation. So I have applied the oval, this size oval of Stitch Witchery to the sleeve. With a dry iron, you just touch it for a few seconds and it adheres. You then proceed to peel the paper backing off, and it likes to stick. So this is coming off pretty darn well. As you can see, I probably need a little more. It's not quite adhered to the fabric quite enough. And again, this is a dry iron. You don't want steam at this point. There we go. That came off a lot better. Glue, glue, glue. This is all glue. This is what you want. I'm gonna put a little more heat here just in case. Trying not to get the glue on the iron, which I think I just did. But there's an amazing product called Iron Off. It's a couple of different brands of it, and it'll take anything off your iron. Yay, beautiful. Okay, so now I am going to adhere this to the glue so that he has a nice strong patch on the inside. Now I am going to use steam. So I'm putting on the steam. You can hear it going. And I'm just going to, I didn't test this in advance, which I probably should have, but look, fabulous. It's working really, really well. So I'm just adhering this sucker down because this guy is really hard on his shirts, but he loves them and he reuses them, which I love because that's better for the environment. Because the garment industry, I think, is the second biggest polluter of the environment. So reduce, reuse, and recycle. I mean, anything you can recycle or repair is very important in your clothing. And it's fun to do, and you can do it yourself. So I haven't completely adhered that down. I'm gonna go, because the glue is on the other side, sometimes I like to go from the other side and do the same thing. So here it is. You can't see it. All you can see is the glue. So since some glue might come through, we don't want that on my iron. I'm going to use a press cloth. I like to use silk organza, but any thin piece of cotton, make sure it's cotton or 100% silk. And I'm just going to steam the heck out of this guy. And then it's going to be ready to sew on this. So that's all for now, and I'll show you how to sew it on in another video. Thanks.